Hey everybody, we're live and in stereo. So now we're going to look into the 2019 set. And by the way, I'm so happy and I'm so glad that only one question is tested in 2019 moles in stoichiometry, right? So let's do this. The examiner is saying the question for the complete combustion of ethene is shown. This is literally O-level IGCSE moles and stoichiometry. And if somebody thinks that this is difficult, you should recall O-level and IGCSE. And by the way, everything is present on my portal. I have, in all those 94 lectures, you have everything A to Z, all concepts in a very crisp and clear manner. तो आप जब मेरे पोर्टल पे जाते हैं, that's all you need, right? Those who have not taken my live classes, if you enroll right now, because from the 15th of December, guys, I'm not taking in more students because I couldn't care less. I'm a very cool teacher. Acha, calculate the volume in decimeter cube of carbon dioxide formed in the complete combustion of 1 gram of ethene at room temperature. So he's giving you the data for ethene. Ethene is this fella right here, in case you've forgotten. And he's saying calculate carbon dioxide. So convert the mass of, what are the 3 steps for stoichiometry? Convert the mass into moles. Use the balanced equation to jump from the moles of ethene to the moles of carbon dioxide. And then convert the moles of carbon dioxide into what? Into volume. V is equal to N times 24. Because at RTP, it's 24 dmq. 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 24. Done. So let's calculate it. Mass equal mole times molar mass. What am I doing? I'm figuring out the mass of ethene C2H4. The moles of ethene, by the way, sorry. So 1 gram is the mass. Moles I need to calculate. Molar mass of ethene is what? 12 times 2 plus 1 times 4. What do you get? 1 divided by 24. 24 plus this is 28. 1 divided by 28 moles. I'm not going to simplify it even. I'll just write it like this. These are the moles of ethene. Done. And then you don't need the moles of ethene. You need the moles of carbon dioxide. So 1 mole of ethene gives me 2 moles of carbon dioxide. 1 moles gives me 2 moles. So 1 over 28 would give me how many moles? 1 over 14 if I'm not wrong. Remember, you don't get marks for writing this stuff. You don't get marks for showing this. You get marks for this stuff right here. 1 over 28 times 2. That's what? 1 over 14. These are the moles of carbon dioxide. And then after you figure out the moles of carbon dioxide, you can figure out the volume. V is equal to N times 24 dm cube. Right? So N is 1 over 4 times it by 24. What do you get, guys? What do you get? When you're running out of time, what do you get? Yes. Sir, what are sets? Abu Huraira, sets are the topic-wise questions that I do from my booklet for all the chapters. This is what I call sets: 2024 set, 23 set, 22 set, 21 set, so that every single concept is crystal clear. Yeah? So 1 over 14 times 24, what do you get, guys? 1.714 dm cube. Thank you. 1.714 dm cube. Done? So we are done with 2019 set for moles and stoichiometry even, and now we'll shift to periodicity. If you want me to do periodicity questions, theory questions with you, I can absolutely do that. Do you guys want to do it today or no?